Once again, we are practicing here about the interrogative sentence. You have target 100 sentences. Let's get start.
Does he write a letter? Does he go there? Does he come here? Does he write a poem? Does he write a book? Does he make food? Does he cook food? Does he shake his hand? Does he saw a picture? Does he watch TV? Does he read a book? Does he make food? Does he cut vegetable? Does he burn the hood? Does he spread the mat? Does he wear his clothes? Does he cuts hair? He close the door? Does he fly in the sky? Does he swim in the river? Does he stand properly? Does he sit there? Uh, does he come here? Does he buy a car? Does he sell a book? Does he read a chapter? Does he ride a bicycle? Does he ride a car? Does he climb a mountain? Does he brush the crackers in the Deepavali? Does he wear his clothes? Does he go to school daily? Does he wake up early in the morning? Does he switch on the fan? Does he light a lamp? Does he bring water? Does he swim in the river? Does he fly in the sky? Does he climb the mountain? Does he write in the blackboard? Does he wear this optical? Does he write in the book? Does he make food? Does he prepare his food? Does he serve the food? Does he make a video? Does he learn a chapter? Does he teach to each other? Does he close the door? Does he open the fan? Does he light a lamp? Does he wear his shirt? Does he cuts vegetable? Does he cut vegetable? Does he make a tower? Does he wear his clothes? Um, does he make a factory? Does he build an apartment? Does he buy apple? Does he brush the crackers in the Deepavali? Does he live in there? Does he come here? Does he go to school daily? Does he like go to tuition? Does he play daily? Does he not talk to each properly? Does he run in the road? Does he walk daily? Does he drive a vehicle? Does he wake up early in the morning? Not does he wash his clothes? Does he wear a ring? Does he see a picture? Does he buy a car? Does he sell a very big building? Does he bring water? Does he carry vegetable to market? Does he go to Delhi for some work? Does he comb his hair? Does he shake his hand? Does he brush the crackers? Does he does he burn hood? He brush the now? Does he sleep? Does he give me a book? Does he fly? Does he go? Does he come? Does he ride? Does he read? Does he where? Does he eat? Does he make? Does he serve? Does he spread a bedsheet? Does he uh, does he uh, does he make? Does he prepare? Does he go? Does he make food? Does he eat? Does he where? Does he stand properly? Does he sit? Does he switch on the fan? Uh, does he dig a ground? Does he run in the field? Does he saw album? Does he pray to God? Does he does he does he comb his hair? Does he cut his hair? Does he speak properly? Does he beat him? Does he wake up early in the morning? Does he wear optical? Does he wear a cap? Does he brushed crackers? Does he fill a pen? Does he write daily? Does he like wear this optical? Does he like go walk? Does he like ride with his friend? Does he like drive a car? Does he drink water? Does he take his meal? Does he lock the door? Does he does he talk to each other properly? Does he like in study? Does he bell the ring the bell? Does he see a rabbit? Does he swim in a bathtub? Does he take bath daily? Does he solve the maths question? He write English is very good? Does he write English good? Does he speak properly? Does he learn daily? Does he draw a picture? Does he pray to God daily? Does he use his phone? Does he use pen? Does he take breakfast? Does he run daily? Does he like walk in evening? Does he make a tower? Does he put the pen? Does he carry vegetables? Does he go to market with some work? Does he catch the ball? Does he fight with me? Does he find a coin? Does he throw a pen? Does he close the door? He dig a ground? Does he grow the plant? Does he write a speech? Does he talk to each other? Does he tell some word? Does he carry his bag? Does he like come tuition daily? Does he fire the enemy? Does he kill to enemy? Does he see a very beautiful home? Does he wash his teeth? Does he fresh daily? Does he write properly? Does he like write? Does he speak very good? Does he feel not good? Does he like to him? Does he throw a ball? Does he tear a page? Does he wear this optical? Does he like wear sunglasses? Does he bask the sun? Does he abuse with him? He does he bring hang his clothes? Does he ride a bike? Does he clean our room? Does he clean our room? Does he climb the mountain? Does he tear this page? Does he drink water? Does he take his meal? Does he like milk? Does he use coconut oil? Does he does he climb in the tower? Does he talk to each other? Does he wear his clothes? Does he swim in the river? Does he hang the fan? Does he like a tie? Does he write a poem? Does he like learn the poem? Does he spread the bed sheet? Does he give me a pillow? Does he beat him? Does he clean the roof? Does he listening is not good? Does he talk is very well? Does he cut the meat? Does he switch on the fan? Does he switch off the fan? Does he close the door? Does he open the door? Does he brush a tanky? Does he blast a building? Does he charge his phone? Does he get a first rank? Does he get a very good number? Does he like English? Does he like speak English? Does he come here daily? Does he not? Does he teach to each other? Does he pray to God daily? Does he go to walk daily? Does he like throw a pen? Does he sit properly? Does he uh, go to Bajnath temple? Does he like drive a scooty? Does he write a letter to God? Does he tear a book? Does he wear a shirt? Does he fight to each other? Does he not speak to all? Does he abuse to all? Fight uh, does he fight with me? Does he use our mobile phone? Does he play phone? Does he play mobile phone game? Does he play in the ground? Does he play cricket? Does he come to school in Delhi? Does he like go to school? Does he tear his bed sheet? Does he wear shoes? Does he like listening songs? Does he like books? Does he dig a ground? Does he dig a field? Does he bring vegetable? Does he draw a diagram? Does he climb the mountain? Does he write in the blackboard? Does he fight? Does he wake up? Does he like walk in the morning? Does he print a book? Does he does he does he like write? Does he swim? Does he bath? Does he take bath daily? Does he use mobile phone daily? Does he click the photos? Does he like pictures? Does he like old pictures? Does he does he tear? Does he climb? Does he drive? Does he swim? Does he sleep? uh, does he wake up? Does he get a coin? Does he get? Does he?
Very nice, Fabulous. You have got target 15 minutes. Fabulous.